Hello everyone. Today, we will draw a tree frog. Take a pencil and draw 2 diagonal lines for the bamboo. And a diagonal line for the frog. Add an oval for the head. 2 circles for the eyes. Draw the pupils, the mouth, the body. Draw the left arm. Give the hand 3 fingers with a circle at the end. Draw the right hand. Draw the legs and feet. Add 3 lines in the bamboo. And our pencil sketch is done. Now we take a black marker to draw the clean lines and add details. Give the pupils the shape of a leaf. Make one smooth shape of the body and head. Add a wavy line between the eyes. Draw 2 dots for the nostrils. Draw around the sketch lines of the fingers to give them thickness. Give the bamboo some bumps and double lines to separate the parts. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and erase the pencil lines. We color the tree frog in blue, orange, green, and gray. The bamboo we color yellow. And voila! Our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.